Bitch, you know I'm hella sick. Free styling tools, participating giveaways. Like, everybody's doing giveaways, and plus, it's the end of the month. So who's not doing giveaways? Y'all wanna hear me say that throughout the whole entire fucking video. Cause who don't love a giveaway? This was free hair.
JB Moro, go and get your bag.
Y'all, look at my new hair. It is red. So I'm gonna show y'all a little clip of this hair. I'm gonna go ahead and curl it and everything. Show y'all how I curl it. Y'all, I love this hair so much. It's giving Ariel from Little Mermaid. Like, it is a 7x5. I'm gonna show you how I do my makeup, my lip combo, because when I say yesterday I was looking good, girl, I was looking bomb. You feel me? But I'm finna show y'all that. Then next, well, yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all the hair part. What I got coming up, I'm gonna go meet up with Steve, and we're planning on going to a trip soon. I'm not gonna tell y'all yet until I get closer to the date, but we are gonna plan a trip to go somewhere, and I'm super excited. So I need to go over to his house so we can plan on what we're gonna do, what Airbnb we gonna get, because we ain't doing no more hotels. That's giving broken vibes, you feel me? So we gonna get an Airbnb, you feel me? So, and as y'all know, today is October the 4th, so I'm gonna get ready, get dressed, and then we're gonna do my hair. So I'll see y'all in the next clip. I'm back again. So as y'all know, I got this literally 7x5. It's not a 13x6, because the lace ends right here on both sides. But I'm just gonna touch it up real quick, and we just gonna talk during the meantime. So I'm gonna use this for my edges to push it back, you know. I don't like the little BBs, you feel me? Even though I don't have BBs, I just don't like the look of it. So, but as we get into this hair was already pre-curled. I didn't slept in it, so it just looks a mess. But I can even comb out the hair, and it feels just fine. Like, I don't even need a comb, because that's how good the hair quality is. Like, this is a reddish brown 33B. This is from Julia's Hair, and when you get it from Julia's Hair, like, I will show y'all how it look in the packaging and everything right over here. Like, I'm telling y'all. And guess what? I got this wig for fucking free, bitch. Yes, free. I got this wig for fucking free. So I'm telling y'all better stop sleeping on these wig companies, because I got this for free. And guess what? I got another wig that's coming, but it's gonna be like it's not gonna be a reddish brown, but it's definitely gonna be red, and it's gonna be curly. Like, when I say, I want to tell y'all what I got planned, my next trip that I got planned, but I'm gonna wait till the end of this month to tell y'all. So I really want to tell y'all so bad, but just know I might wear this hair in November. That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. I might wear this hair in November, fucking around, because this looks so good, super good. And y'all, all I had to do was just only use this to lay down the legs. There was no point in me using glue. To me, like, if it's, you know, a closure 7x5, you know, if it don't go all the way down, I don't feel the need to wear glue, honestly. You feel me? But y'all, I won this in a good way. I'm finna show y'all my username and all of that, and how I won this giveaway. They sent me the tracking number and everything. And this wig literally took no more than a week to come by. So I'll say like no more than like 5 days, because they did take a minute before they shipped out the wig. So if anything, it took 5 days for me to get this hair. So that's one thing that I do love about it, that it didn't take long for me to get it. And the maintenance on the wig, I don't really have to do much maintenance on the wig at all, because it's good quality hair. When you get good quality hair, less the maintenance. Literally, all I gotta do is just touch up with my spray, put my band on, and girl, I'm good. All right, and then we just gonna lay this down like so. And y'all, during the meantime, whenever I have this lace band on, I either find me something to do for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm about to take a bath, obviously. You know, just find something to do. And if you're in a rush, wear this on the way to wherever you're going. Honestly, be creative with your time. That's all I gotta say. But yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Got out the tub, shower and everything. Whenever I took my band off, the cast was a little white on the lace. So all I did was just get my liquid spritz, and I just dabbed it a little bit, and now it's blended perfectly. So next, let's get into this hair, you know me? So we're gonna take this pin out, we're gonna comb it, and we gonna curl it. Like, when I say I love this hair, I love it. Love the fact that it's like 24 inches, like, she's definitely eating from the front to the back. I just want to show my backside, but part this down. I'm probably gonna do like, I'll say like 3 layers of curls at the most. I ain't gonna do that many. But let's comb out this hair. And as y'all see, it's so easy to comb out. Don't mind the background. Literally, this is like with one pass, y'all. And it's still like, some of the curls still have like a wave to them because it did come pre-curled. So that's one thing that I do like about this hair. It came pre-styled and pre-curled. And we about to curl it again. All right, we're gonna do the left. I always do the left every time. So let's go ahead and part this hair and see how it does well to heat. So yeah, we're gonna do one section at a time. Whenever I do my layers, I like to do it like, okay, I got my section. I like to split it in 2. This will be my back. And I already have my wavy top curler on. So we just gonna put this right here. And the rest is magic, literally. The rest is magic. Okay, y'all, I will be coming back. I'm gonna show y'all like the first 2 layers, and then I'm gonna head on TikTok and I'm gonna let y'all see all the little TikTok edits and everything that I put in here in this video. Honestly, because I do want to do like a whole little TikTok of me curling his hair. Like, I'm not even gonna cap to y'all. But yeah, okay, I'll wait for at least like 15 seconds at the most. And whenever you want to do this, you press the circle button and it kind of release it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then bam. You get a curl like this. Banging. Banging. And this is on 360. The highest that this goes, this wavy top 360 curler, is 430. So The last one that I had, I think it went to 142. That pink one that y'all, I'm pretty sure that y'all done seen. I got it from a different company on TikTok. But everything, like every hairstyling tool like I got is wavy top. And guess what? I got that for free also. So when I say like if y'all, I will find a product. If I want it, I'm gonna find it for free. And if I was y'all, I advise y'all to do the same thing too, because what's the point of paying for it? I pay enough stuff already. And plus, like, I'm a hair influencer, so I need hair tools, you know, to style my hair and everything else like that. So, period. I got a little bit of hair out, but we just gonna go ahead and curl it. But yeah, y'all, like, if I was you, any product or anything that you want, like any hot selling products or items, like, make sure you look at what brand it is and go to their actual social media page, because who don't be doing giveaways? Like, when I say y'all want free hair, you better participate in the giveaways. You want free styling tools, participate in giveaways. Like, everybody's doing giveaways, and plus it's the end of the month, so who's not doing giveaways? Y'all wanna hear me say that throughout the whole entire fucking video, cause who don't love a giveaway? This was free hair. Like, I don't understand y'all sometimes, like, even my old friends and stuff like that, like, bitch, I get this for free every single time. Like, what I look like paying for it? I'm cheap as it is, like, the cheapest of the cheapest. If I ain't gotta spend my money on it, I ain't spending my money on it, period, honey. I'm gonna straighten this out because I want my parts to be. We are coming to the end of the video. I want to say appreciate y'all for watching my video. Y'all, like I said I was gonna say this throughout the video. Make sure you tune into brand giveaways, and make sure that y'all follow me, Queen Alexus _K. I will write this down below. Y'all, I will put y'all on giveaways. So if y'all following me, I will let y'all know what giveaways are happening. Direct lines, if you need any brand that you done bought wigs from, I will even personally that y'all seen me wear their wigs before. So thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned.